triangle is the most powerful geometry, which is a closed two-dimensional shape having three sides. But how exactly do we calculate the area of a triangle? Hey, my name is Tin Levan, BK05. In this video, we will be learning about triangle area determination. Here is our triangle. H is the height measured at right angle to the base. B is the distance along the base. S is the area of the triangle. Let's create congruent triangle. And then put them together. The total area of two triangle is 2s. Now, we move this triangle and keep it here. We get a rectangle with height h, base b and area 2s. It means 2s is b times h. Because the triangles are congruent, the area of one triangle will be b multiplied by h divided by 2.